added some new bulbs, the 3-color LED bulbs to the headlights also. This is what it looks like from a distance. So you turn it off, turn it back on, and they're light yellow. Then you turn it off and turn it back on again. It's a dark yellow. See that? See how cool that is? Huh? Then you turn it off, turn it back on, and it flashes yellow, the headlights. Then you turn it off again, turn it back on, you got white headlights. All right. 2016 Honda Accord right now with the Earth Dreams Technology IV Tech engine. So basically what I'm doing right now is changing the CVT transmission fluid. This is the transmission fluid, the HCF-2 required transmission fluid, is which he's purchased the 4 quarts. This is what it looks like. If you're looking for this CVT transmission fluid, I'll put a link down in the description of the video. So basically, at the bottom here, on the side, it's a drain bolt here. So this drain bolt is a 3/8. So you use the 3/8 socket, like so, and you break it loose. So you break it loose, then you take it out. It's basically like any other, most of all Honda transmission fluid changes. There's the washer here. Okay. That's a little bit of fluid that's left in it that's dripping out. I already drained it out here already. This is about, you say about 4 quarts. So there's 4, 5, 6. So it's about 4 quarts, not counting whatever was spilled. Okay, so right now, what I'm gonna do is clean up the drain bolt. Drain bolt is off. Put the drain bolt on. Like so. Then you take the 3/8 ratchet. And you put it on. Like so. Goes to about 35 foot-pounds of torque. If you're using a torque wrench, it's about 35 foot-pounds of torque. Clean off the drain bolt. Then I'll go back to the top, catch back the video for you guys. Okay, so now I'm in the process of up top. This is where they show you that it has to be HCF-2 Honda required fluid. So what you do is you just pull this up. Basically, this doesn't have a fill bolt. It fills through the transmission where the dipstick it should be. That's where you fill it in. So I got the funnel here. Okay. The funnel right here. And now I'm just gonna pour in the transmission fluid, the 4 quarts, and it should be good to go. Alright, hold on. Alright, so now I have the 4 quarts here, which I'll just be pouring in like so. Oh my goodness, look at the difference compared to what's in there. That one is black. Look how clear this one is. Yellow. So what I'm gonna do is finish pouring these 4 quarts in. Then we're gonna turn off the car. We're gonna put that plug back in. All right, then we're gonna start the car and shift it through the gears to make sure all of the new fluid gets in between the gears. And call it a day. All right, I'll get back to you guys. All right, so now I poured in the 4 quarts. It's in the transmission. Now I'm gonna take out the funnel. Like so. Now the cover, just put it on. Okay, and that's it. Change the transmission fluid. Then you just get in the car. Start it, right? And you shift it through the gears. Let me just show you. Give me 1 second. So So right now I'm in the car, so I'm just gonna start it like so. Put your foot on the brake and you go through the gears. First, neutral, drive, sport, and the low gear. You go up, sport, drive, neutral, reverse, and park. And I'm also going to reset the transmission on this one. Okay, turn the car off, turn it to the second position, and you hold down the gas pedal to the floor. Give it about 30 seconds to reboot. Check engine light will go out, just like it just did. Take your foot off the gas pedal, turn off the car, and then start the car back. And that's it, good to go. This is how you change your automatic transmission on a 2016 Honda Accord with a CVT transmission. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them with a like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.